On this lesson, we're going to work on the third row. So right now we can go here and click on the shy layers and remove the shy ones because we don't need to see them. So let's go and work on the pop. So first click on the motion blur because you're going to use it. Again, let's go here on frame 12 and just move it roughly to the center like that. Yeah. Let's create a copy by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl T. Have the position, and remember that it's only a matter of time of parenting them on the right moment. So you can also have it in there. So actually, let's move the 8 frames more. So it's going to be on the 18. Add another keyframe. And go here to frame 30 and move it here. So let's just position it on the center. And now, as I said, it's only about parenting on the right moment. So now let's take our second layer and let's parent it to the pop, making sure that we're on the frame 30. So now if I see the animation, you can see that everything is working properly. Just the motion is a little bit wrong because we haven't eased it. So go easy ease by pressing F9. Let's go and find our position and exaggerate the movement of these curves a little bit. All right, so now we have something better. It's working fine, but we are still missing a part on the top. So to fix this, again, it's only a matter of parenting on the right position. So here is where we need them. So I'm gonna just copy our pop call right here. So just make a copy here. So Ctrl C, Ctrl P. We have a third copy. Let's remove the position animation that this has. And now let's go here on the bottom. Let me actually delete this, sorry. I made a mistake there. You need the first pop, which is this one on the top. So let's just Ctrl C in this position, not on the one that I had. So now if I just go to the beginning and just parent it, it's just gonna work just like I want. And I need to do the same with those on the bottom. So let's make sure which is the layer that is having those. So actually it's this number 2. So just make a copy, paste it, have it not parenting to anything. Remember, you don't have to parent it at the moment. And now go all the way to the end, and in that moment you parent it to the first layer, which is called pop. And now you have the same animation. Again, it's only a matter of that you understand in what moment of time you need to parent it. So that way we don't have to use guides as we use on the other ones. I'm just giving you 2 options so that if you want to use guides, by all means, but if you want to do something simpler, it's just a matter of time of making a copy where you need it. So right now it's working better. And all I can do right now is select everything, pre-compose, call this pop or whatever, and just turn. You can open the shy layers and copy the set matte effect. And now go into pop and just paste it. So now again this row is not going to go outside those hexagons. And now, just as we did on the previous one, we can select all the layers and move them just a couple of frames so they don't go on the same speed, and you have a little of a variation. So now I can open my crop, bring the visibility in of that copy of the crop layer. And on the next lesson, we're going to work on the final row, so see you there.